Good afternoon on our First Alert Storm Team Skycam Network. We've got some blue sky, a few clouds moving through, but overall looking like a fantastic start to our afternoon. And if you haven't been outside yet today, you're going to get a little shock to the system when you step out the door. It looks nice and mild like it's been in recent days, but today it's going to feel pretty chilly when you head out the door. Some of us still in the single digits right now on our temperature map. We're at 5 degrees right now in Hallock, so it's just been a real struggle to warm up here in the valley. It's 8 degrees in Grand Forks. Fargo's at 13. Southern Valley over to the east, just like this morning. We're looking at temperatures mildest there, but still well below average. We're looking at some teens to about 21 in Park Rapids. And we have to still talk about that wind chill. We're down below 0 for some of us up in northwest Minnesota and along the Red River. It feels like 3 below right now in Fargo. So that winter coat we were all wanting to put away this weekend with the great temperatures, especially on Saturday. Well, you're going to need it again heading into the afternoon hours and even tonight as well. A look at our winds. They're coming in mainly straight out of the north, and that's just ushering in that continued round of cool air. And we've got a gust of 21 in Fergus Falls, a 15-mile-per-hour speed in Fargo. So some cool air, also bringing down our wind chills. Our radar and satellite map, no snow to show you, though we have had some flurries around the region underneath some of these clouds passing through, including in Fargo-Moorhead here this morning. And there may still be some of that out there, but overall those clouds just kind of drifting eastward in spots, and a lot of places seeing some clear skies where you see the white. You can see it pretty well up in the northern valley. That's not moving. That's because the satellite's actually seeing the snowpack, so we don't have any cloud cover in that area. So as we head into the afternoon, more and more sunshine developing for us here. There will still be some clouds in the region, but overall more of us enjoying sun than stuck under the clouds. And heading into the later afternoon, we'll see temperatures rise into some more 20s here. Instead of just that one location, we'll see more places get there. Still below average and still feeling rather chilly. The one exception here will be that we'll see that wind start to ease up. So that's going to help us out. Combined with that March sunshine, it'll feel a little bit better as we advance over the next few hours. Now heading into this evening, we're going to quiet things down. We're looking at some temperatures that are going to start their slide into the teens and single digits here heading into tonight. And overnight, more of us dipping down into the single digits as we start off tomorrow morning with some more clouds starting to build in heading into the early part of the day on your Tuesday. And that could mean a couple of places where we see a flurry or a light snow shower or two, especially in the Southern Valley. Though right now it does look like that chance for snow may stay south of us here for your Tuesday. This is noon. This time tomorrow, temperatures doing a little bit better at that point. And with that south wind starting to kick in, we'll see our numbers climbing through the day and eventually ending up right back to where we've been. Some upper 20s, some low 30s for your Tuesday. So we make a pretty quick recovery after this cool down here. And today is a big day. It's a full moon here. It officially becomes full not too long from now, just a few minutes, but we won't get to see it until it rises around 7:30. And this one, more specifically, a super worm moon. What that means is it's a super moon, so it's closer to the Earth in its orbit. It'll appear a little bit brighter. And the worm moon's the name of this month's moon because we start getting those worms moving around. The frost in the ground begins to break up. And our forecast for tonight looking partly cloudy, so a good chance of taking that in. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. Temperatures are going to be on the rise again this week. We'll see a high of 42 by Thursday with a chance for some snow this weekend.
All right, looking pretty good. Thank you, Lisa.